Hello! In this video you will learn how to inherit in Turkey, and the lawyer Ozer Tuncay will kindly help us. Hello!
Hello.
Mr. Tuncay, please tell us in a more detailed way how a foreign citizen can come into inheritance in the Republic of Turkey.
First of all, I need to explain the main rule of inheritance law in Turkey to have a clear understanding. According to Turkish legislation, if movable properties such as car, money, gold, vehicles, etc. are subject to inheritance, the national law rules of the deceased needs to be followed. If immovable properties such as villa, apartment, piece of land, etc. are subject, then Turkish law rules needs to be followed, and that is a major rule.
Now please tell us, who has the right to inherit in Turkey according to Turkish legislation?
According to the Turkish inheritance law, 75% of the heritage goes to the children as their legal share, and 25% to the spouse. If there is no kids, then 50% go to the spouse, and the other 50% to parents. If parents do not live, then their legal shares go to brothers and sisters.
What role does the presence of a will play?
The legality of the testament must be done according to the law where it is prepared. Again, about the movable properties, the testament will be effective according to the national law of the testator. For the immovable properties, according to the Turkish law, and here plays reserved portion a great role. The testator is limited, as children's reserved portion is half of their legal share, and the parents' reserved portion is 25% of their legal share, and the spouse is the same as legal share. So the testator may make the testament according to these limitations, or the testament will be efficient according to those rules.
And now a very popular question. If there is no will, is it possible to lose inheritance in Turkey?
Actually, this is really a very popular question. As a lawyer, I receive from many clients this question. Many think that if there is no will, then they cannot inherit. No, the heirs will never lose their rights if there is not an existing will. In any way, they will receive their legal share.
Tell us about the inheritance procedure, please. What documents are needed for this?
Registration of all kinds of inheritance for foreigners can be done only through court. The needed documents are death certificate, birth certificate of the children, family register document where all family members are mentioned, and very important that on this document needs to be written that there exists no more children. All documents have to be with apostille, translation to Turkish and notary legislation can be done here.
When does the right to inheritance enter into force?
Automatically from the death or to decease. There is not any waiting period. Only in case if you want to reject the inheritance, you must do this within 3 months.
How much time does this legal process take?
From 2 weeks to 3 months, depends on the case and the readiness of the documents.
And the last question. If the heirs do not have precise information about the property, what property it is, in what city it is it difficult to find this information?
Actually, it's very easy to find out. All you need to have is a copy of the passport and the tax number of the deceased.
Thank you. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, we will definitely answer in the comments to this video. It may also be the topic of our next video. Goodbye!